Hello, my friends. This is Misty with Auniquetreasure Reborns, and I have done so many videos, but I'm having trouble loading them up to my Reborn page, but they're also loading up to my crafting journal Auniquetreasure page. So bear with me, please, while I try to get the two separated, but I still need to put up content for both pages. So right now they're going to probably be intertwined a little bit. So with saying that, I'm going to go past that and welcome you to my channel. Please hit that like and subscribe button. I'm shaking the desk. Sorry, let me remove my hands. And I'm super excited because I ordered the new Mary kit from Bountiful Baby. And so I'm not going to let it be a surprise because um, I just wanted you guys to know, because it is a surprise still, because we haven't seen it yet except for on the Bountiful Baby website. I was on my computer, email popped up letting me know, hey, guess what, it's here. I mean, maybe I was the first one, I don't know. It depends on how slow emails get out to me, but I can tell you this, that I went on there and I ordered one each. Mary Awake and Mary Sleeping. So let's just check out the kits. And also, um, I can't keep babies in stock. It's a really nice problem to have. So I've sold every baby I've made except for one, and that's Elizabeth. And she looks like a doll. She doesn't really look so real, and she's hard for me. So I'm going to take the paint off her hair, and I'm going to, because I painted her hair on, and I'm going to go ahead and root her and see if that helps. If not, I'll donate her if I can't sell her. However, I got two bodies, 35.85 for those of you who reborn. If you guys would like this baby, um, and to reserve this baby, I can do that before the baby's made. This one is Mary Awake. So I don't do a lot of awake dolls. I have a lot of awake dolls because I bought people's inventories too on top of brand new stuff. But look at that baby's face. Oh my goodness. That is a great face. Now, there's not a lot of indentation and details, but the face is small enough for me to work with. Um, and it's hard to explain what I just talked about if you're not painting like I am. So I didn't go to school to be an artist, but I took a lot of tutorials online that were free, and I've sold some paintings, so I was told that makes me an artist. And I've sold 6 dolls, 7 dolls, I can't remember now. But yeah, this is, and I've been on Reborns. I joined Reborns in April, I think, but I didn't start selling in April. However, I love the feel of this. It's nice and soft, and it's got that in between. It's not too soft, like her cheeks are like way harder. Her cheeks are hard, actually. But as you see, I'm not taking a whole lot of pressure to do this. I like that her cheeks are harder. She's got great lips to emphasize and to put a pacifier on, because I love great lips. However, if they're too puffy, one or the other, it's hard to make that pacifier lay even because we put magnets behind here, and then the pacifier is magnetic too. So let's look at her. I hurried up. I just got this box. Threw some clothes on because I've actually just sold a doll, a baby, and look how shiny she is. So let me see if I'm in camera. I'm having to still use my phone at this point. I'm thinking about ordering another camera. Uh, that's just for that. Look at that. You can see the like little muscle indentation, the cut here, but it's not a actual like how this is, but it is a slight one here to show you that calf muscle. And I love the detail on the foot. We can emphasize that. So this is great. This is the leg, and I really like it. It's not too bent and it's not too straight, and the foot's curved in a little bit, so that gives the realism. Now these babies are true realborns, so that means that they're replicas of babies. I'm gonna look and make sure it says realborn. Yep. So I thought so. I was like, oh, what if I say something wrong? And look at the fingernails there. I love when I can see clearly the fingernail beds and they're not like, see how this one is? It's a little meshed with it, but it has to be. but they still cut that out. A lot of people will still have buildup to the top here, and I don't like that. But this kit is still for me. This is a great kit. And let's see here. Here's another foot and leg. And the thing is, so you don't get them mixed up, on here it says Realborn Mary, and it gives you the number and the A for awake. So like I would never be worried about mixing the kit up. Here's the other hand. So this kit has two closed hands, two closed fists here. That kind of thing. You can sit her up on her, you know, put her rump up in the air if you're posing her for pictures, and lay her face on and looking at you that way, and have that cute little baby pose that we're so familiar with. All right, there is that one. Again, if you're interested in reserving this baby, reach out to me through private message, please. Do not leave it in the comments. And if you have questions, please ask them. I mean, and I do layaway, you know, that kind of thing. And here is the other. So here she is awake, and here she is sleeping. So they are a little different, but they're still the same baby. Let me put this one back. Let me put this in here. And then here is, I'm just curious. I have to know if these are exactly the same feet and legs that they used. They look like it, huh? Yep, they use the same. This one's actually slightly bigger. See how much? Let's see. Maybe. I'm not sure. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe it's just an illusion. No, I don't think it is. But it's okay. So that is your baby kits there. I'm not gonna, like I said, pull out every wrong way. Let's see, this one says, yeah. So let's just look at the COAs quickly. So here is the Realborn, the real baby, Sleeping Mary. And then here is the awake. Isn't she so cute? Look at her. Oh my goodness. All right, guys, I just wanted to pop on here real quick and share these new kits with you. I got more stuff in, but this is the newest Bountiful Baby kit. I'm really happy they came out with a new kit. Besides their beautiful silicones they've been coming out with, which after I get some of these kits done, I'm going to focus on the silicones and I shouldn't do that. I don't like I do not like my COAs bent at all. So yeah, COAs are certificate of authenticity, and so that's really important to have those, because that means you purchased an authentic kit. It's not a knockoff from China like AliExpress or the other places that you can buy outside the country, or people who are stealing kits. And they actually take the pictures from these private artists and post them and say you're getting this baby, and you're not. So really, it's not worth anything if you ever want, you know, these are investments. They're work of art. They're not dolls to really go around and play with like children would play with them. They're not meant for that. However, parents do buy them for their children, but with knowing that they are works of art and they are taking a risk of the baby getting ruined. So they're beautiful, they're lovely. People do role play with them. They put them in strollers, they take them out. People use them for people who have lost their children as part of the grieving process. There are people who use them for dementia. There are people who just take them to be nice and kind and take them to senior homes and share the baby. And you would be surprised how much these babies put a smile on people's faces. So, without any further information to offer you guys, thank you so much. I appreciate you so much for coming by and checking out my channel, or if you've been here before, thank you for coming back, and I hope you have a very blessed, amazing, wonderful day. Remember, spread kindness. Everybody deserves it, including yourself. Give yourself a hug today, a gentle reminder that you do matter. And if you're an artist, keep on painting, keep on showing those beautiful works of art, no matter what it is. And if you're not, buy a kit. Go to Bountiful Baby. They have amazing sales. Buy a kit, get some of their paints, There's free YouTube videos all over the internet, and start your journey because it is so much fun. All right, take care, guys. Bye bye.